Hello, friends. There are many dishes that require tomato to be peeled. Therefore, I'm going to show you a very easy way of peeling the tomatoes. What you need to do is to make a cross on the bottom of the potato, like I'm doing here, not too deep, and put the tomatoes into the boiling water. I'll leave it for a few minutes until you see the skin cracking. When you see the cracks, then you can remove the tomatoes and put them in ice cold water. Wait for a few minutes until they cool down. Then you can bring them up and lift the skin from where you made the cross. As you can see, I'm doing now, and you can see how easy the skin will come off. Then you can cut them into any size pieces that you like. And you need to get rid of the stem, which is the hard part. As you can see, I'm taking it out now. That's the hard part of the tomato. And you can do uh, cuts as big as you want them for different dishes. As you can see, how nicely it was done.